How to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Click on the option settings and privacy. Open the option settings. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under preferences you will find the option of browser. Open it. Now you'll see the option of cookies and cache over here. Click on clear. Click on clear. With that, you have just cleared the cache of your Facebook account. Likewise, what you can do is close this and open your settings app. Now scroll down, open the option general, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app Facebook. Once you find it, open it, click on a float app, click on a float app. Now click on reinstall app. Once you do that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can clear Facebook cache on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.